Well, hello, I'm Frank Raymond. I've been coming to Marc Adams for quite a number of years now, probably about 7 or 8 years. I just happened to find out about the school. We live in Illinois, and so it's just a few hours away for us. And I started coming here. I took one class, and I started feeling the spirit of the place and how much I enjoyed being here. And so after that, I started coming for multiple classes, and I also even started to assist in classes. And it's given me an opportunity to kind of have a home away from home. That's how I would describe this place.
I started coming when he wanted his family to be involved and started having us come. Was I the first family member to come to a class?
No, I think you were the second or third. So.
Okay. So he brought his daughters along, told them, oh, you can pick one class and we'll pay for you to come, and he came with them. He picked one for me because I play the violin and I might be interested. There was a violin making class, so he picked that for me. I had never done any woodworking at all, never picked up woodworking tools, never, done anything with wood. So I learned to carve a scroll from great instructors and great assistants here that helped me learn carving, learn wood, learn everything. And I stuck with it, and we're on year number 4, working on the outside of the inside.
Yeah, I've even been able to get her to take some additional classes than just the violin class.
Yes. Now I'm taking about 2 a year. one of which is usually with my daughter.
So like this year, 3 of them came for the finishing class. That was early in the season. And then I was also here assisting at that time. And I enjoy assisting because I get to have the time with the students. I get to be able to have the interaction with the other assistants. I get to see all of the different setups and other things. I really enjoy being here, and the food's wonderful too. So.
Oh yeah, yeah. There were years when the food was so good I would have paid to come here just for the whole week, just for the food. I mean, but last year during the violin class, my daughter and her husband picked out a knife making class, and so we all came together and did parallel classes that week. That was nice. I like to come here as a retreat. To me, coming here is peaceful, and you end up learning, making something, and it's not always wood. In some years before COVID, maybe now, I don't know they offer different things every year, but I remember there was a chocolate making class. I remember I had a daughter learn basket making, right? There's a large variety of classes, and we just let them pick one. And
yeah, it's not limited to just woodworking. There's lots of different crafts that you can refine here. There is a lot of woodworking, yes.
You can learn woodworking really well here, but there's a lot of things.
Right.